Hi everyone, welcome to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change MetaTrader4 background. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to change the chart's background and color of MetaTrader4, then the process is quite simple. Simply go ahead and open up your MetaTrader4 application and make sure that you are logged in. Now, go to this icon at the bottom and this will open up your chart. You'll be able to see your chart's background and the candlestick colors on the display. Tap on the hamburger menu at the top left-hand corner from the main home page and now tap on settings. From the settings menu, scroll all the way down until you see this colors menu. Tap it on and right where it says background, give it a tap and you can either change your background color to white or black. Select any one option. And now from the other menu displayed right beneath where it says foreground, grid, volumes, bar up, bar down and so on, you can also select their color by choosing on the option and choosing the color that you'd like to change them to. You can also select custom color by tapping on the skim at the top and either select it to green on black or black on white. Once you make these changes, tap on done at the bottom and you'll be able to change the background of your MetaTrader4 chart using your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.